So now let us understand UV maps inside of Blender, and let's see how we can unwrap UV as well. So here you can see that I have a cube, and if I were to select this cube and then go to UV editing, and if I'm on my editing mode, that is if I were to press tab, you can see that I'm in my normal mode. If I were to press tab again, you can see that on the editing mode, this is an unwrapped version. So the cube that you see here, let's say for example, if I were to select these 4 vertices out right here, you can see that this section is there. So whatever you see here is what unwrapped over here. And if I were to go around and select these out right here, you can see that this phase is selected. And similarly, I can select all from this side, and you can see that 3 of the faces are selected right there. So that is how the UV actually works. So let me just go out over here and delete out this shape. I'm going to press Shift A on my keyboard. And if I were to select, let's say, for example, a UV sphere and go to add UV sphere section, let me just disable the generate UV for a second and then go to UV editing. So right now, if I were to press tab, you can see that there's no UV for this, but I can press U on my keyboard and I can click on unwrap, and there's the UV unwrapped right there. Let me just go to U right here and click on Smart UV Project, and then if I were to press OK, now it projected the UV from 6 sides, as you can see. But you can see that the UV, they are overlapping each other. So what it essentially did was it took a picture from the top side, from the bottom side, and the 4 sides right here, and this is what you see. If I were to press U on my keyboard, and if I were to let's say for example choose this one, that is Smart Unwrap, I can also add in some margin right here and the area weight right here, so you can see that this is what happens now. So now there are different faces of the UV, and there are spaces over there as well. So that is one way to unwrap it out. So if I were to go to this shape, press U on my keyboard, click on light map, then it goes to another type of mapping. So let me just press tab right here, U, and then light map right here. And if I were to go to OK, then you can see that this is how it unwraps now. So you can go around over here and select out different mapping options. So if I were to select this, this is what you have. Let me just press A on my keyboard so everything is selected. I can go around onto follow active chords and then select other option right here, cube projection, cylindrical projection, and then sphere projection. You can see that everything unwraps right here. So on the sphere projection, you can see that essentially it's taking the sphere and it is unwrapping it out right here. I can go over here and press U. And if I were to click on project from view, then it projects onto that certain view. So just like this, I can project onto bounds, and I can select out other things right here. So I can use unwrap, Smart UV right here, and this is how it works. And that is how UV works, and then unwrapping of UV process is inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.